Hi folks, greetings. We have recorded this video to give a quick demo of our ambulance application. We'll cover 5 very important functionalities in this video that are login, staff attendance, vehicle attendance, ambulance log, and trip management. Let's start with login process. So first of all, user needs to log into the application to access the feature and functionalities in this application. In order to get yourself logged in to the application, you need to input your registered credentials. So either you can register yourself through email or mobile number. These credentials will be provided to you by your administration. So I have got myself registered with my mobile number, so I need to input my mobile number to proceed. So first of all, I'll enter my mobile number here to receive an OTP on the next screen. Let's start with inputting a number. So once you click on the previous button, you will be taken to this screen. Here you need to input the OTP that you have received to your registered mobile number. So let me input my OTP that I've received. It's 8515. Now I need to verify this. Once the verify button on the previous screen is clicked, the system takes us to this screen, that is the home screen of this application. So here let's start with staff attendance. So you need to click here. You can see the list of all the members associated to me if I'm the supervisor, and these are the members working with me on an ambulance. Then all the members will be listed here, and I can mark the attendance for each and every member. So I have marked present all the members, and if someone is not present, then I can just uncheck this button to make them absent for the day. Now this is very important and also a mandatory step, that you need to upload your selfie while checking in. If you don't upload a selfie, you won't be able to complete the check-in attendance process. So first of all, we need to click an image, upload it, and now we can check in. Okay, so check-in process is complete here. Let's click this staff attendance button again. Now you can see the list of all the members and their attendance. Now if you want to check out, then there's the same process. I mean, you can't change anything with the attendance, but you need to upload a selfie again while performing the checkout process. So let's click an image, upload this, and now we can check out. So that's it. The check-in and checkout process is complete. Now if you click on this staff attendance button, you can't access the previous layout, because you've already marked your attendance for the day and you cannot mark your attendance twice a day. So that's the reason. That's why you have been taken to this screen. Here you can just access the records, all the records for you. So if you click on this particular button, you will get to see all the records here. Okay, you'll be able to see check-in and check-out images as well. You can choose a date range to filter this data. Now move on to the next very important feature, that is vehicle attendance. Let's start this. So this is the first interface. Was the vehicle attendance button is clicked, so as you can see, start location, the current time and the current date. All these information have already been filled by the application itself. So system does it for you. You don't need to enter this manually. All you need to do is, first of all, you need to enter the start odometer. Suppose that is 200 we are entering, and here you will be able to see the list of drivers associated to this particular ambulance. So if there are 2 drivers associated there, then you can choose from them. So I've chosen the second one. Now you need to click the image for the start odometer reading for a proof. Let's do it. Upload an image. We are done. Now we can check in. So check-in is complete. Now if you want to check out, then you will be taken to this. You can see all the information that you have already entered: start date, start odometer reading, start odometer image, start location. All these information have already been captured and you can see it here. If you tap on this open button, you'll be able to see the image of start odometer reading that you have captured earlier. Now if you want to close this trip, you can tap on the close button. Again, the end location, that is the current location, and the current time and date. All these information have already been filled by the system itself. And start odometer reading, that has already been fixed because it was captured at the start of the trip. Now you need to enter the end odometer reading. Suppose it's 300. Now again, that's a mandatory field. You have to click an image of your odometer for the proof. Upload the image, and now you'll be able to check out. So the process is complete. If you tap on this SOMO button, you will be able to see all the data associated to this trip, start and end data. So now we have completed the vehicle attendance as well. Now if you want to start a trip, then we need to go here and tap on this create new trip button. Now you can see the list of drivers is there. You can pick one of them. Then the pickup location, current time and date are already filled. You need to enter the start kilometer reading, the reason of the call, whether it's accident, emergency, or whatever it is. If there are more options, then they'll be coming here, and you can pick any of the options there. So We are selecting emergency as of now. Now again, this is mandatory field. You have to click an image, upload it to proceed further. So now we have uploaded this image. Let's hit this create trip button and which is this employee ID field. Sorry. Okay, so it's done. So I guess there was some server issue or something like that. So now there's the end trip button available here, and if you want to end the trip, then you can notice that the drop location, the current date and the time, all these information have already been captured by the system. And start kilometer reading, that is also there because that was mentioned by me at the start of this trip. All you need to do is just input the value for end kilometer reading. Now provide the bill number. Let's input some random numbers here because we don't have a real number for this as of now. Now that's a mandatory field. You have to click an image to support your claim for the odometer reading that you have entered for the for this trip as end kilometers. So all the data has been captured. Now you can close this trip. When you click on the close trip button, the system will take you here to draw your signatures manually. You can do it here. Undo options also there. You can clear the signature at once if something is wrong there. Now let's do it. Let's complete the process. Hit the submit button. Once the submit button is hit, you get a pop-up informing you that the trip has been closed successfully. And now you are taken to the home screen again. Okay, so you are on the home screen. Now you can see the log of the ambulance here, the trip log. You can see all the details by tapping the view log button. So all the information is given here: pickup location, drop location, driver name, start, close, start kilometer, end kilometer, and close timing. So start odometer image and end odometer image along with the signature. All this information is given there. If you click on this button, you will get to see all the details, all the trips on this single page. Let's tap on this button. This is the side menu, and you can log out of the application by tapping here. Okay, that's it. That's all that we have right now, but we'll be coming back to you once more features are developed and more features are added in this application. We'll be coming back to you with more updates and a new fresh video. So thanks everyone for watching this video. Thanks once again. See ya.